Hello kids, today we learn ABCD alphabets and many colors. Let's start with colors name. Brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, orange color, green color, deep green color, pink color, purple color, blue color, sea blue color, red color, black color and light pink color. Let's start. Brown color A, pink color B, yellow color C, green color D, sea blue color E, orange color F, sky blue color G, light green color H, blue color I, black color J, red color K, purple color L, orange color M, sea blue color N, sky blue color O, deep green color P, pink color Q, yellow color R, brown color S, black color T, red color U, blue color V, yellow color W, pink color X, black color Y, deep green color Z. Bye friends. Hello kids, today we learn 1 to 10 numbers and colors name. Sea blue color, red color, deep green color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, brown color, light pink color, purple color and black color. Sea blue color 1, number 1. Red color 2, number 2. Deep green color 3, number 3. Black color 4, number 4. Sky blue color 5, number 5. Brown color 6, number 6. Pink color 7, number 7. Light pink color 8, number 8. Purple color 9, number 9. Yellow color 10, number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Bye friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe.